equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by powering off your Nintendo 3DS XL and removing the game cartridge. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back cover. There are 6 screws in total, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back cover, you'll see the battery. Disconnect the battery by carefully lifting the connector. Now, focus on the touchscreen assembly. You'll need to remove the screws securing the screen to the device. There are 4 screws on the metal bracket holding the screen in place. Again, keep these screws safe. With the screws removed, gently lift the screen using the suction cup. Be careful not to pull too hard, as there are still cables attached. Disconnect the ribbon cable by lifting the connector latch. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Now, take your new touchscreen and connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, carefully place the new screen into position, aligning it with the metal bracket. Reattach the screws to secure the screen in place. After that, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any loose components. Before you power it back on, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. Dust and debris can affect performance, so this step is crucial. If you're unsure about any part of this process, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Once everything is back in place, power on your Nintendo 3DS XL. Test the new touchscreen to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the touchscreen on your Nintendo 3DS XL. Enjoy your gaming experience with a brand new screen. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.